SoCal Review Plus. The plus means things outside of California.
This is your Las Vegas 2020 COVID report. Las Vegas is starting to reopen, but it is not business as usual. We sent down members of our team in full MOP 4 Level 3 hazmat suits to explore the surroundings. Turns out this was not totally necessary. What is necessary is you must wear a mask wherever you go. The next thing you notice is Vegas is not crowded. There's plenty of parking, there's no lines, but they definitely need your money. Here's a quick view of the new Allegiant Stadium, home to the Raiders and the Knights. It's a really nice building just right off the strip. Can't miss it when you come into town. Sanitation is at an all-time high. When you check into your room, you'll notice it has been sealed and verified clean before you get in. You can get a standard room at any of the major hotels from anywhere from $40 to $70 a night, but don't forget there is also going to be a $40 resort fee per night tacked onto that. This is a quick view of the room at the Mandalay Bay. Again, that was about $60 a night plus the resort fee. Here's a picture of the pool. The pool is open. All the venues in Vegas are required to adhere to this new 25% rule, meaning if they can normally operate with 100 people, they can only legally allow 25 in at a time. That's for restaurants, that's for everything, including the pools. Most venues are going to be shut down Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday and start to open up Thursday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday should have the most activity, but all this changes weekly, so check with your venue ahead of time. This is for restaurants, bars, barbershops, just about everything. The last thing you need to realize is all restaurants are requiring reservations at this time. When you come in, they will take your temperature, your name, and your phone number. These are not my rules. I'm just reporting to you guys the current state of Las Vegas. If you'd like a particular venue reviewed while we're in Vegas, please hit the trifecta. That's a like, a subscribe, and a comment below. We're going to check out Frankie's Tiki Room, so look for that video to follow this one. Enjoy your trip to Vegas.